let's talk about how you can become a better editor. And in this video, I'm going to break it down in 3 simple pillars. These pillars has helped many editors around the world. I will show you how to do it step by step. Let's dive into the 3 simple steps that you can follow in order to become a better editor. Let's be real for a second. Most editors are just scrolling on TikTok looking for what's trending in terms of effects and just copying it in their own edits. I mean, sure, it works until you look like every single editor is out there. What actually makes you better and recognizable is having your own recognizable style. Think of it like this. You already got your favorite text animation dialed in, you already know what color scheme you're gonna use, and you already know what type of transitions you're gonna use in your edit. Like, when you know your style, you actually make faster decisions because you're not gonna waste your time testing out 50 different effects to eventually land on one that will catch your eye. But even with a solid style, if you don't have the right tools to execute it properly, it's like cooking up a meal without the right ingredients, and this is where assets comes in play, and most editors fumbles here. I cannot stress this enough. Using the right assets is like a cheat code in the editing world. I'm talking about sound effects, overlays, LUTs, preset specs, and all of the other things that you can imagine of. These are all of the things that make you move faster and have a more polished product. And if you're broke like I was when I started, there's hundreds of websites with free assets that you get grabbed, so you have no excuse to work without assets. Literally, bro, we're in 2025. But let me be real for a second. In my personal experience, what helped me the most was making a folder full of presets of all of the effects and animations that I was using all the time, and this allowed me to save hours on every single one of my edits because all I had to do was a simple drag and drop every time I wanted something cool to happen. That's what I'm doing right now in this video. And if you don't know where to look for good presets for your edits, I decided to share with you guys my flow state preset pack for Premiere Pro. This is every single preset that I use in my videos packed into one single folder. But whether you use mine or you make your own, you need these assets. But don't get me wrong though, even if you have the best assets in the world, it cannot save you if your workflow is messy. So let's fix that together. So let's talk about organization, which is really a problem in the editing space. I suffer from it too. It's crucial because you might think that you've been working really hard whole time. Your timeline is just messy and really hard to understand because of how messy it is. And if your files names are looking like the real final project.mp4, then this one might be for you. And it's not really complicated to get organized. You only need 4 things to do. You need a good file management. Organize your files like they are literally real papers. You don't want to get the place messy in your room. Do the same in your computer. Get it placed the right way. That's 1. 2, always use a template to save time. It will just make your work easier. 3, your FX, animation, and color grade, I hope they're all in presets. I hope you got assets. We already talked about this earlier. And the 4th step is just repeating these 3 steps all over again, so you can save so much time while retaining a good quality of content. Like, it's really not about being a robot, but it's just about leaving some brain cells for the creative process, And if you still didn't get it, my secret weapon that I use was my flow state preset pack. You just make editing a breeze for me. And if you want to try it out, link will be in the description. And since you watched the video till the end, you have a 10% discount code because I love you.